Okay, children. So yesterday we have completed what? We have completed this simple present. Okay, today we are going to start with present continuous. Present continuous tense. Now, children, what is the first rule of present continuous tense? So, the first rule of present continuous tense is okay, children. So, the first one is to refer to something happening at the time of speaking. Okay, for example, please don't disturb me. Please don't disturb me. I am studying for an exam. Now, children, I told you that in continuous tense, we use first form plus ing as well as a helping verb is, am, and are. Okay, so this is the first form. Fine, study plus ing, and what else I told you? The helping verb. So this is in helping verb here. I am. Because I is here, so we are going to use am with it. Okay, fine. This is your helping verb. Then your second one is okay, second rule is, children, this is your first rule. When we talk about something connected with the present time, okay, it means it has no connection with the past as well as with the future. The thing that we are talking about, it happened in the present time only. Okay, for example, these days more and more people are learning computers. Okay, these days more and more people are learning computers. Fine. Next rule is, children, for an action planned in near future. Okay, it is for an action planned in near future. Now children, in simple present, okay, there is also one example in which there is something which is planned in near future but at a fixed time. For example, I have given you an example that the Christmas, this year the Christmas will be on, the Christmas is on Sunday. Okay, here the time is not fixed. Okay, for example, I am going to visit my parents or visit my grandparents next month, but the time is not fixed, the date is not fixed. Okay, in that case, we will use this present continuous. Okay, so in present continuous, you can give the example, I'm going to visit my, we will write this example only, I am going to visit my grandmother tomorrow. Yeah, next month. Okay, fine. Okay, children. Next is a constant habit. Fourth one is a constant habit. Some people have a constant habit of doing something. Okay, that also comments in present continuous. Fine. For example, she is always looking for an opportunity always looking for an opportunity to run out of the house to run out of the house to run out of the house into the neighbor's yard. Okay, fine. This is your present continuous. These are the rules for the present continuous. Next is present perfect, children. Next one, third one is present perfect. Okay, next tense is present perfect. Now, first rule is to indicate activities, or you can say actions, activities or actions completed in the immediate past. Okay, in the immediate past. means just recently. Okay, for example, he has gone just now. It means in this, the person has gone, but just now, right now, immediately. The action has been happened in the past, okay? But it had happened just recently, okay? In that case also, we are going to use perfect tense. Now I told you that in perfect tense, we have two helping verbs, has and have, and we are going to use third form of the verb, okay? Has, as he is a singular, so we have used has and gone, the third form of go. Okay, next, second one, children. To express past action where no definite time is given. Okay, when no definite time is given, to explain, to express that past action, we use past perfect. Okay, for example, I have read the diary of Anne Frank. Okay, fine. Or you can also take another example. He has eaten up all the cakes. Okay, I will give you one more example for this. He has eaten up all the cakes. ठीक है? All the biscuits or whatever. Okay. Next rule is third one. To express past events, to express past events that have an impact on the present. Okay, something, some action, some event which had started in the past, but still it had impact on present. Okay, for example, our classes. Our classes is been started from August, but still it is going on. Fine. So to express such actions, okay, we use what? Present perfect. Fine. Example. We have started our classes in augurs. Okay, fine. We will use this example for the next one. It suited the next one better. We will use here. I have cut my finger and it still paining. Okay, fourth one. To express an action, that began in past and still continue by today or by present. Okay, for example, I have known to him for long. I have known to him for long. Okay. Now children, with this fourth point, to express an action that began in past and continues by present, we can also use since and for. Fine. Now where since is used and where for is used, see to that also. In present perfect, use of since and for. Okay children, now since. Fine. Since is used for a specific point of time. Fine. For example, he has been away, fine, since Tuesday. Okay, and what is the use for a time? Use of for. So for is used for a period of time. For used for period of time. Okay, example. We lived here for 5 years. A duration, a period, a duration of time. Okay, in that case we use for, and for a specific time. Okay, for a specific point of time, there we use since. For example, if I have written here, we lived here dash 1945. Okay, then we used since. Okay, because they were living here from that period, from a particular period, from a specific period. Okay, but here I have written for 5 years. It means no specific point of time is denoted over here. Fine. Okay, now example, he had been away since Tuesday. Okay, so this is a specific time on Tuesday. Fine, children. So this is the use of since and for. Your last present tense is present perfect continuous. You can write it down this. Then write down the fourth one, that is present perfect continuous. In this, children, we have only one rule, only one. What is that? To refer to something that began in the past but continues but still happening. But still happening at the time of speaking. But still happening at the time of speaking. Okay, example is I have been reading the diary of Anne Frank, okay, for the last week. Okay, for the one last week or for the last week. Last 1 week. Okay, it means she is reading the diary right from last week up till here. It means she's reading the diary of Anne Frank for last week up till now. Okay, she had started somewhere last week, okay, on some date, until now she's continue with this, the diary of Anne Frank. So any action which started in past, but when we are speaking it, at that time we are doing it. In that case, we used to use present perfect continuous. For example, I'm teaching you these tenses from yesterday we started this tenses, but still it is going on. Okay, still I am teaching you the tenses. Okay, so this action is called present perfect continuous. Okay, children, this action is called as present perfect continuous. Fine. Now, children, tomorrow we will, day after tomorrow on Monday, we will start with past. Okay, past tense, past simple past, past perfect, and past continuous and past perfect continuous. We try to complete it on Monday. Okay. Great, children. Let me take your attendance, please.